Hi guys, welcome back to Free Tech. In this video, we learn how to convert your real video to animation video. So this is very interesting topic. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. So let's start to our topic. First of all, open Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, search here Discord. Open the first website of Discord. You can see here if you want to download for Windows, and you can see, so click on download, and if you want to open in browser, so click on browser. We use this software to create animation videos. So after this, you can easily sign up. I am already signed up this Discord. So here search demo AI. You can search Domo AI, sorry, Demo AI, not Domo AI, and click on this. After clicking on this, you can see here start in Discord. You can easily join Discord by enter your Gmail and your password, and you can easily and free sign up your account. So go and so after sign up in Discord account, you can come on Domo AI and this accept invite, click on, and you can see automatic demo AI is opening. So we can follow some rules and terms. So to generate, they are asking what do you want to join this community for, generate AI arts, and what is your age group. So you can also select 18 plus for this. So you can even select, and you can also select your English language and click on finish. After clicking on this, you can see on this side, you can see there is many options. You can also click on generate free video 3, and here you can search give message flash video and intro. After this, you can see this is original video, and this is AI animated videos. So enter here slash video and search here. So here you can upload your video. Click on this. Got it. So here you can select any pic, and you can enter promote if you want to add. And enter, please wait. So first, if you are, so first So click on tips, tap tips. So you can see your video is making. So and you can download easily from them. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon.